How to spend your summer vacation indoors and outdoors. At last. Summer is here. You can kick back and enjoy life. But, what's there to do but be lazy? Well, read this article and you'll find out what summer vacation is about. There are so many things you can do, both with family and friends. Steps. 1. Go to a friend's house. It will be fun, but sometimes there may be complications. So if that's a problem, go spend time with a favorite relative. You will be away from home and you can plan fun activities to do together. 2. Go outside. Going outside is a popular activity to do in the summertime. It is great exercise and is a great way to spend some quality time with your family and friends. Grab a buddy or a group. That way, you'll have people to talk to and share your experiences with. Find outdoor activities to do by visiting the website of the parks and rec near you. Looking on QA sites. Visiting local parks. Asking family and friends. 3. Make crafts. Check out some good arts and crafts that you can do. Buy the supplies needed and make some of crafts. You can also use it as a gift or an item used to make profit. 4. Play computer games. On a boring day when you have nothing to do, computer games can be a great way to pass time. Just make sure you only use trusted websites and don't get addicted to it. 5. Visit the library or bookstore. Go to your local library or bookstore and get a new book. Reading is a great activity for summer, and it will help you brush up on skills needed for the upcoming school year. 6. Funk out. Get a good CD and put it on a radio or stereo. Play it on your favorite song, and dance. Have a camera to tape you. This is great for slumber parties. 7. Have sleepovers. This is a classic, but this is great to keep in touch with friends. Play games, eat, dance, share secrets, play truth or dare, anything you and your friends want. 8. Eat ice cream. Ice cream is, after all, the snack of summer. Make your own ice cream sundaes. Go to an ice cream place with your friends. You could even try making your own. 9. Watch movies. Go to the movies with friends and family. In the mood for chick flicks? Try Aquamarine or Ice Princess. Ready to laugh it up with pals? The Beverly Hillbillies is a classic. Drama, action, etc.? Go for Lord of the Rings, Pirates of the Caribbean or The Lion, the Witch and the Wardrobe. Check out the newspaper or the web for some new movies you might be interested in. 10. Try gardening. Dedicate your time to a garden full of beautiful flowers and tasty vegetables and fruits. Use your creativity and develop a green thumb. Don't have time for a garden? Care for a cactus. They're cheap and cute, but watch out for those spines. 11. Learn a new language. Go to the library and borrow books on different languages, such as French, Spanish, and sign language. 12. Go back to school shopping early and snag some deals. You'll also beat the crowds and have a wider variety of items to choose from. 13. Get involved in a youth group, 4-H or Scouts. 14. Learn something new. Have you always thought skateboarding looked like fun? Now you have entire days to yourself, learn how. 15. Find a new hobby. Do you like reading? Try your hand at writing. Do all your friends love scrapbooking? Get one of them to teach you how and give it a shot. 16. Get a job. Summer is a perfect time to get money. If you're not old enough, you can try doing small jobs for family and family friends. 17. Join a fun online community, like WikiHow or other wikis. You can interact with other people who share a common interest. Tips. Have a card, paper, or address book with personal info for everyone, which includes name, birthday, hotel you are staying in, room number, family, phone number, etc. Warnings. Never go alone wherever you go. There are untrustworthy people about. Your parents will want you to be safe. Don't wish your summer away. It'll be gone before you know it, so enjoy it while you can. Things. A library card. Friends. Family. CDs, DVDs. Snacks. A computer. Items may vary, depending on which activity you choose.